Bucolic Retreat awaits a discerning owner with this nearly 21-acre estate outside of Ferndale. Beautifully situated on private grounds of old-growth forest and rolling green fields, the property features trails, 2 ponds, and a stream. Wildlife can often be spotted with the gorgeous natural setting. The modern farm-style main home boasts over 5,000 square feet of living space with an interior punctuated by massive picture windows, thoughtful design touches, and careful attention to eco-friendly fixtures and construction practices. The pastoral grounds are classified as open space, resulting in lower property taxes and the potential use of the property for raising animals or other farming activities. Zoning permits division of the land into 2 parcels with separation of the main and guest homes. The property's well features a pump station and filtration system which supplies water to all locations efficiently and at low cost.